All right, like I just mentioned, we have the best of our reporters on ground zero to tell us what's really happening as far as the mood is concerned. I understand my colleague Gajraj is joining me live. Remember, this is going to be very interesting to see what the mood or meter is like, because there are many pressing concerns that every citizen will have in the country, which will be the driving factor for them to go ahead and cast their mandate. Gajraj, very good morning. It is the fact that we're going to be looking at many issues that a voter would probably have in mind before casting this particular right of theirs. Tell us what the voter turnout is looking like at the moment, and more importantly, what are the pressing issues that people have?
See the See, as the BJP claims that they have been addressing the people's issues, and right now you can see right behind me is the Union Minister Gajendra Singh Shekhawat, who is right now standing in the queue to vote with his family, and he has arrived at the polling booth just a few minutes back right now. And the BJP is batting on the policy and the schemes, and I would specifically mention the guarantee which the Prime Minister Narendra Modi has been speaking about in his sabha. So the BJP is batting on the same, and opposing the Congress manifesto, which has as Prime Minister say that this gives the a feel of Muslim League. So the BJP is batting on that, and particularly here Gajendra Singh Shekhawat has this nara here: Delhi mein Narendra, Jodhpur mein Gajendra. So you can see the enthusiasm of the supporters of the Shekhawat and himself. Studio.
Talk about that. If you could get a few citizens who are out there casting their vote, what is in their opinion the driving reason? Have they seen change in the past couple of years? What would they like to see as far as going in and casting their right?
See, yeah, I'll ask cameraman Dinesh to just show you some different section of this particular polling booth, and I'll try to speak to the people also here. They are standing right parallelly to Mr. Gajendra Singh Shekhawat here. क्या देख के जोधपुर वोट कर रहा है सर इस बार?
जोधपुर देख रहे हैं वही गजेंद्र सिंह आओ या कोई भी हमको विकास मिलना चाहिए और क्या है बस।
क्या लगता है इस बार आपको काम हुआ है या होगा? किस तरह से आप जो गति है काम डेवलपमेंट किस तरह से?
काम तो हो रहा ही है, उनसे बात करो भैया से।
जो यही कह रहे हैं वही होना चाहिए, और जो विकास कर रहे हैं उन्हीं को वोट देना वाजिब होता है।
नहीं, इस बार क्या लगता है आपको जोधपुर किस तरफ रुझान रखेगा?
देखो, जिसकी सरकार है तो ये भी आनी चाहिए, लगभग यही तय है।
करण सिंह जो है नए कैंडिडेट हैं जोधपुर के लिए, और शेखावत साहब जो हैं दो बार से लगातार यहाँ से जीत रहे हैं। क्या इस बार एक तीसरा चांस शेखावत साहब को मिलेगा?
तीसरा चांस तो यही लगता है कि ये सीनियर है और एक्सपीरियंस है इनमें, तो मुझे लगता है गजू बना सकते हैं।
एक्सपीरियंस का फर्क पड़ेगा
जी।
So people batting here on the experience of Union Cabinet Minister Gajendra Singh Shekhawat, who is winning this particular Lok Sabha constituency from last two consecutive terms, and this is the third time that he is batting from the same constituency. And right now Karan Singh Uchardya of the Congress is his counterpart of Shekhawat, who has also faced some backlash from the people of locals of here of Jodhpur over the Ayodhya and Ram Mandir issue, because when he was campaigning, there were a few videos that went viral which shows the backlash Uchardya was faking. And on the other hand, it is being said that in the rural areas, Uchardya has a stronghold and Shekhawat has some kind of dissent in the particular area. Studio.
All right, Gajraj, I appreciate you getting us everything that we need to know as far as the mood meter in Jodhpur is concerned. But since we told you that we have our reporters on ground zero getting us the mood,